Diamonds are forever like family and loyalty, or real rap songs like Cream or my melody. Diamonds are forever like my infinite thought.
What's up, guys? We are tinting the f30 headlights today. Pretty excited about it. I've been wanting to do this for a while. My headlights are kind of garbage right now. They're super bright. BMWs don't really have a problem with headlights being not bright enough. So my E30, actually, the headlights are so bright that the cop was gonna write me a ticket for that. So I'm gonna tint those also a different day on that car. But we have my buddy's car right here. He actually replaced his lenses and did his own custom halos and everything. But yeah, here's what it looks like on the car. So it looks super black, but actually, like, when you turn on the headlights, just let me do it right here. Super dope. You can see like right through them. Gives it more of an amber look. And then so I got the hexagonal dark tint by Vivid, and I'm really happy with it. I think it looks sick. So I'm just gonna go to the other side and then do that side, throw a little time lapse in there and show you guys how I did it. All right, boom. All right then. Okay. You recording?
Mm-hmm.
All right, cool. So what's tricky about this, like getting around these corners, is that you really want to heat it up just a little bit, not too much because you'll burn through the material, and you want to pull it as tight as you can without messing up your pattern if you're running a pattern. But if you don't have a pattern, then it's not too big of a deal. But if you have like small wrinkles like this, you can barely see, they're pretty easy to get out. You just pull it back out and then you'll heat up the material, and then it all comes out, and you just kind of press forward while pulling tight. Boom, now that corner's done. We'll do the same thing right here. Pulling it tight. I'm gonna shove my material underneath, cut it.
Why just bring it your moonlight? Should've looked good in the moonlight. I'm supposed to look so bad, my spotlight, moonlight. Why just bring it your moonlight? Should've looked good in the moonlight.